Everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to tell you that how can we consolidate data in Excels. For consolidating data, basically first I'll tell you that what is consolidation refers to. So it refers to collecting and integrating data from multiple worksheets or workbooks in a single or master worksheet. During this process, the data consolidation function takes data from a series of worksheet or workbooks and summarize it into a single worksheet. To combine cell contents, open the worksheet and we need to I have just made here three dummy sheets, worksheets, and those are place A, place B, place C, and then the consolidate sheet. So these are three worksheets which are made by me, and so I'll tell you that basically how to consolidate these three sheets in a one single sheet, data of these sheets in a one single sheet. To consolidate the data, follow these steps. Click on the data menu. Now select consolidate option. Consolidate window appears on the screen. Click on source data range, and area box of blinking cursor will appear in the screen. Okay, so this one, and you need to just simply click here and you will select the data, click on expand, and you need to add it. Okay, it's already basically I have already added these A, B, and C, the consolidation ranges I have already added. So this I just told you that how you all can do. So you will simply click on source data ranges, and you will click on here shrink, and then you will select the data from your sheet and simply add. Similarly, you can select the data from other sheets like place A and place B and place C. Then you need to select the another option, that is copy results to. So here you will, like I have selected the consolidate sheet. This is the another sheet where I need to copy the results of these three sheets into one sheet. So I have selected this particular sheet where I need these data. Okay, so basically I have selected this. You all can just simply click here and then select the data from there, and now you can just click on OK, and here you can see that consolidate sheet here came. Basically what happens in it, the data, the numbers of the option which was already selected, you have notice that where we when we have seen that the consolidate option, the function was selected as sum. So basically the data numbers are basically in the consolidate sheet, the data is basically added. Okay, so this is all about that how can we consolidate data in Excel sheet. So these are just 2 or 3 steps by which we can simply do this process. So I hope everything is clear. If anything is not clear, just simply drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll definitely reply you there. Thank you.